In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're freeing up space or simply moving on from the tool, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to the Windows icon on your desktop. This is usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the gateway to your computer's main settings and functions. Think of it as the starting point for most of your system-related tasks on a Windows computer. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up displaying various options. Next, from this menu, look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Clicking on it will take you to the Windows Settings interface. This area is essentially where all your system preferences and configurations live. It's where you can customize your computer settings to better suit your needs, from personalizing your display to managing devices connected to your computer. Now, within the Settings option, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar, type Apps and Features, and select it from the list. This is a shortcut to the section of settings where all of your installed applications are listed. It's an essential step because this is where the uninstallation magic happens. After entering the Apps and Features section, you will be presented with a comprehensive list of all the applications currently installed on your system. From here, you'll need to scroll through this list to locate Wrike. You may find it easier to use the search bar within the Apps and Features window to quickly identify Wrike, particularly if you have many programs installed. Once you have found Wrike in the list, click on it. When you click on the program, a small menu will appear with the option to uninstall. Go ahead and click on Uninstall. After clicking Uninstall, you might see a couple of prompt windows pop up, just to confirm that you want to proceed. They could also guide you through the final steps of the uninstallation process, so take a moment to read them and click accordingly. These prompts are there to make sure nobody accidentally deletes software from their system, so it's always good to be a bit cautious. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Wrike from your PC. Take a moment to consider any reboot prompts, as sometimes a restart is required to finalize uninstallations. It's always a good habit to restart your computer to ensure everything is running smoothly post-uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to clear Wrike from your system without any hiccups. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.